If you're considering a transformative or read and publish agreement with a publisher, you need to both know the cost of access to read the journals and have a way to calculate the APC charges your researchers have been paying to publish in those journals. Using InCites, you can easily identify the articles where your organization has most likely paid the APC charges for gold and gold hybrid articles. Let's walk through getting this information in InCites. To start, I'm going to do a publication sources analysis. First thing I want to ask myself is what years to analyze. Right now, the default is last 5 complete years. I'm going to change this to just 2024. Next, you'll choose organization name. You'll obviously choose yourself. I'm going to be Leiden University today. Now here is the linchpin in this analysis, which is author position. Here you'll choose corresponding author. So now it will only show items where an author from Leiden University is listed as the corresponding author. Other considerations, document type, you'll want to limit to article and review. And then, of course, for open access, you'll want to change this to look at gold and gold hybrid. One more thing you should do is up here with baselines, add the baseline for all items. So this is our basic analysis. Let's start looking at specific publishers. Down here, you'll see all the publishers in the database as well as unified publishers. The unified publisher is where we've taken name variants and different imprints and created a curated normalized publisher entry. Let's say you wanted to do an analysis of all Springer Nature journals. You can come down here, Springer Nature, and see there's a unified entry there, and click Update Results. One last thing to consider, if you wanted to remove any specific titles because they aren't or won't be covered in the agreement, you have a couple of ways to do that. You can choose it from this list and click Hide. Or another way would be on the left-hand side under Filters, Publication Source Name. Change this to Exclude and find the journal or journals that you want to exclude. Once you have your data set, you can click here under Web of Science Documents and then download this whole table here. So here I'm going to put that this was my Leiden 2024 Springer Nature. This download will include things like the DOI and the publication name. And that's basically it. Once you're done with Springer Nature, you could look at other publishers. Maybe you want to look at Sage, for instance. Again, click the number of Web of Science documents here and download the data. In just a few short minutes, you've got a great set of articles which you can then use to find the APC charges. Then you can tally it all up to see if it makes sense for a transformative agreement.